Hi again, guys. So this is the last video that you have to see in order to finish with the process of the key activity, at least with the graph process. And the thing is that we will do a regression model. If you remember, we have this previous thing. I will close this one in order you to notice what is happening here. So if you remember, we have this previous model, the thing that we have calculated by hand, defining all the parameters for the sine function. Now we will open again the hoja de cálculo, our calculation sheet. We will open it. There we have. You will see in a moment. There we have. And we will select all of this data again. The thing is that after you have selected this data, you will click on this second icon, the icon with the bars, with the blue bars. You will click on it and you will select analysis of regression. So you will click on analysis of regression and you will obtain something like this. And you will say to me, that is the same thing that we have done previously. And yes, it's almost the same thing, but look at this. We will create a regression model taking a sine function. So instead of having all of these, we have all of these regression models, but we are working with sine and cosine functions. So the thing is that we will select sine, and there we have. We have a sine function, a regression model that normally is useful to predict what will happen later. So as you can see here, this is the important thing. This is the regression model that the program that GeoGebra is giving to you. Please take a screenshot of this regression model along with the function y is equal to 23.9 plus 2.08 sine of whatever. And as you can see, if we compare what is happening with this regression model and what is happening with our algebraic function, it's similar to the values that we have obtained. If you remember, the function was the sine. There we have, or it is the sine function. There we have. As you can see, it's similar. It's not identical, but it's similar to what is happening with the previous function that we have created. A displacement almost of 24, that was right. And also the other values are similar to what we have defined here. So that is the objective, to create this regression model and compare it with the previous function that we have defined in the previous step. So this is the last video, guys. If you have any doubt, remember that you can ask me whatever you want. See you later, and hope that this video is useful for you. Bye.